Welcome to our channel. I'm sure you've heard the news. Sitting is the new smoking. Yes, you heard that right. Prolonged sitting has been linked to numerous health issues including obesity, heart disease, and even early death. It's a serious concern, especially for those of us who spend long hours working from home. But what if I told you there's a cool way to stay active while working? Imagine being able to walk and work at the same time, seamlessly integrating movement into your daily routine without sacrificing productivity. The Walkingpad C2 is a game changer. This innovative piece of equipment allows you to stay active, healthy, and productive all at once. It's designed to fit perfectly into your home office setup, making it easier than ever to incorporate exercise into your workday. With its truly folding design, it folds to just 5.4 inches. This means you can easily store it away when not in use, saving valuable space in your home office. No more bulky equipment taking up room and gathering dust. Tuck it under your bed or sofa and poof, it's gone. The compact design ensures that it won't be an eyesore or a tripping hazard. It's perfect for small spaces in apartments where every inch of space counts. The powerful 2.0 GP motor supports up to 220 pounds and operates silently. This means you can walk or jog without disturbing your family or housemates. The quiet operation is perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment. No more noisy distractions during Zoom calls. You can stay active and engaged in your meetings without any background noise. It's a win-win for your health and your professional life. Weighing only 55 pounds and with wheels, it's super portable. You can easily move it from room to room, or even take it with you if you need to work from a different location. The portability adds a level of convenience that traditional treadmills simply can't match. Just unfold, plug in, and you're ready to move. The setup is incredibly simple and user-friendly. No complicated assembly required. You can start walking within minutes of receiving your Walkingpad C2. The LED display and remote control make adjusting your speed a breeze, from a gentle 0.5 miles per hour stroll to a brisk 3.7 miles per hour walk. You have full control over your workout intensity, allowing you to tailor your exercise to your needs and preferences. Plus, it's got a 4-layer shock-absorbing belt to protect your joints. This is especially important for those who may have joint issues or are concerned about the impact of walking on hard surfaces. The shock-absorbing belt provides a comfortable and safe walking experience. Users have reported increased energy levels and improved focus when using the Walkingpad C2. Imagine being able to tackle your to-do list with more vigor and less fatigue. It's not just about physical health, it's about enhancing your overall productivity and well-being. One user, Jane, shared her experience. "I was skeptical at first, but the Walkingpad C2 has completely transformed my work-from-home routine. I feel more energized and less stressed. It's the best investment I've made for my home office." Another user, Mark, mentioned, "I love how I can stay active while attending webinars or reading reports. It's a fantastic way to keep moving without feeling like I'm missing out on work." The Walkingpad C2 is also family-friendly. Its quiet operation means you can use it without disturbing your loved ones, and its compact design ensures it fits seamlessly into any room, even with pets or children around. Additional benefits include the ability to stay hydrated and cool while walking. Keep a water bottle and a small fan nearby to enhance your walking experience. The Walkingpad C2 makes it easy to maintain a healthy lifestyle without compromising on comfort. You can also enjoy your favorite music or TV shows while walking. The Walkingpad C2 allows you to multitask effortlessly, making your workday more enjoyable and less monotonous. The remote control is intuitive and easy to use, allowing you to adjust settings on the fly. Whether you need to speed up or slow down, the Walkingpad C2 responds quickly to your commands, ensuring a smooth and hassle-free experience. The LED display provides real-time feedback on your progress, including speed, distance, and calories burned. This helps you stay motivated and track your fitness goals effectively. The 4-layer shock-absorbing belt is designed to minimize impact on your joints, making it suitable for users of all ages and fitness levels. Whether you're a seasoned walker or just starting out, the Walkingpad C2 offers a comfortable and safe walking experience. And remember, the 30-day return policy and 1-year warranty ensure that you're making a risk-free investment. The customer service team is always ready to assist you with any questions or concerns, providing peace of mind and excellent support. So what are you waiting for? Click the link below to purchase the Walkingpad C2 and start transforming your home office today. Embrace a healthier, more active lifestyle and see the difference it makes in your productivity and well-being. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome reviews. Stay fit, folks. By incorporating the Walkingpad C2 into your daily routine, you're taking a proactive step towards a healthier lifestyle. So why wait? Make the change today and experience the benefits for yourself.